What if I told you that you can create a professional presentation in less than 5 minutes without using PowerPoint? No designing, no formatting, no wasting hours moving text boxes around. Today, I'll show you Gamma AI, a powerful tool that can turn a simple idea into a beautiful presentation in minutes.
Welcome back to AI Tools Daily. On this channel, we explore the best AI tools that help you work smarter and save time. In today's video, you'll learn what Gamma AI is, how it works, and how you can use it to create professional presentations with almost no effort. What is Gamma AI? Gamma AI is an AI-powered presentation creator. Instead of manually building slides, you simply describe what you want, and Gamma generates an entire presentation for you. It can create presentations for business meetings, school projects, marketing plans, startup pitches, reports, and much more. The best part is that Gamma automatically handles the design, layout, and formatting. To begin, go to gamma.app and create a free account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Create New. You can start with a blank presentation or let AI generate everything for you. For this tutorial, we'll use the AI option. Simply enter a topic. For example, create a presentation about the benefits of artificial intelligence in business. Then click Generate. Within seconds, Gamma creates a complete presentation outline. After the presentation is generated, you can customize everything. You can edit text, add images, change themes, and rearrange sections. Gamma also offers beautiful design templates that instantly improve the appearance of your presentation. If you don't like a slide, you can ask the AI to rewrite or redesign it. This makes the entire process much faster than traditional presentation software. There are several reasons why people love Gamma AI. First, it saves a huge amount of time. Second, it helps non-designers create professional-looking presentations. Third, it allows teams to collaborate easily. And finally, it removes many of the repetitive tasks that usually come with presentation design. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, marketer, or content creator, Gamma can significantly speed up your workflow. Let's quickly look at the pros and cons. Pros: fast presentation creation, beautiful designs, easy to use, AI-powered editing, collaboration features. Cons: some advanced features require a paid plan. Generated content may occasionally need manual adjustments. Internet connection is required.
Overall, Gamma AI is one of the easiest ways to create professional presentations in 2026. If you regularly create slides for work, school, or business, this tool is definitely worth trying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tool tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.